So ito yung mga traveling skincare ko tuwing nagta-travel ako for work. Number 1, syempre makeup remover. Number 2, yan, yung purity cleanser. Sobrang ganda niyan. I use that as a cleanser for my eyes and face. Tapos kailangan nating mag-toner because that's just a ways of you exfoliating your skin. And I love this Josie Maran Argan Oil. I use it around my eyes and on my face before my skincare. And then yan ang Advanced Night Repair. I've been using that for 20 years. It's a lifesaver. 45 years old na tayo ngayon. Ito yung Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. Sobrang ganda rin yan around the eye area. And of course, who doesn't love Shiseido? And of course, kailangan natin ng lifting. And of course, alam nyo to, my new favorite sunscreen yung sa Trader Joe's. Kasi it's oil-free, tapos maganda rin siyang primer before your makeup. So yan, Clinique, Philosophy, Alta MD, Josie Maran Argan Oil, Advanced Night Repair for the face, Advanced Night Repair for the eye, Shiseido Bio Performance Moisturizer, and Trader Joe's